Hello and welcome to this video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. In this video I'll basically just show you how to install Python and some packages. Not a lot, maybe just one package. The rest will come with Python if you are using Windows, of course. So as you can see, I fired up my Windows machine and basically I'm searching for Python 3. That's what I'm going to be using. As you can see, Bing give you a bunch of nonsense, so be careful there. Do not use the latest software, please. There are like currently 3.8.1. Do not go to the latest version. Always choose one before the last. They are always stable. Most of the time they are stable, and basically the package is catching up to them. So do not go 3.8 point whatever or 3.9. I don't know, at this time I found 3.7x works fine. Things that I do, think the latest one is 3.7.6. well, I think I used 3.7.3 before. That's what I'm using on Debian operating system, but here we have 3.7.6, and that's what I'm going with. So let me choose the right one. It's gonna be 64-bit, and it's gonna be the installer. I'm gonna just use the installer, so I want to install it in the whole system, so not just for one user. Basically I work with virtualization, like creating a, here I'm adding it to path. What I mean by virtualization, like create like Python virtual environment. I will show you how to do that on this video. So you can either customize. I will go with customization because I want to check other options that they are left out by default, and I don't want to install it on on the user. I want to install it like where it goes, like in program files. That's where Windows store main of their programs. So as you can see, when you choose for all users, it will put it on the program file rather than your home directory, whatever junk is that. It's like a long path. I don't even know. You see, it's like long path. It's user, username, app data, yada yada yada. And okay, so I will download this debug binaries, DL, I don't know, more or less like build essential, I think, on Debian if you're using Debian, or if you're using Arch, it's like base devil. Okay, so just run install and then follow the, well, I pause the video and then come back. Okay, the install is finished and it's successful. So I'm gonna just close for now the windows, and as you can see, I use bash, git bash. It gives me like, I feel like I'm using Linux on Windows typically. That's why I style my as you can see, my terminal, and I feel like I'm on Linux, so I'm making the virtual environment folder in my home directory, which Windows basically is hard even to find sometimes. So I create make dir. I put them dots so they are hidden, so I don't want to see them or in my way. So to create a virtual environment, type python-m-vnv and then your home directory or path, whatever you want to do. So I create this specifically and give it a name, GUI app. That's why I give my virtual environment, so I can install packages and stuff and don't mess with my Python installation. And when I'm done with this virtual environment, I can just trash it, delete it, doesn't matter. So and to activate this virtual environment, just if you're Linux, you do source and then the whole path, and then you do like GUI app /bin /activate. On Windows there are scripts, as you can see, GUI app scripts and then activate, so they are different. As you can see, when you see where Python, it's bringing it from that. So I'm using the virtual environment right now. As you can see, GUI App on the added to terminal. So now I'm going to install in PyInstaller. This software gonna, at the end of creating the program, I will use to generate the standalone application, so you can distribute it or sell it or whatever. It takes a few seconds to install. So it's a Python package basically, but it creates one file if you want application. So it's requiring me now to, it's asking me to update pip, which more or less like a package manager. Python install package or some package manager. I mean, if you're using like JavaScript or something, it's like npm or you know, like Composer for PHP if you code with that. That's basically was pip for Python, more or less. Anyhow, we're gonna just see. Can use the Windows prompt just to check the, as administrator, to check if Python is actually running. That's right. As you can see, it gave me 3.7.6. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.